what's up and welcome back to tonight's special. Today we are going to be making lemon za'atar asparagus. Asparagus is one of the veggies that many people do not like it, but if you make it in this way with lemon and za'atar, it's just absolutely delicious. And the blend of spices that is in the za'atar seasoning is just so aromatic, and it just does magic when it touches your food. It's just so good. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and support your girl. And the ingredients with measurement will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And let's get started. Guys, asparagus came out so delicious, and with the lemon juice it's so lemony and zesty and delicious. I love it. I'm sure you guys are also gonna love it. You can serve it as a snack just by itself, or you can also serve it as a side to a main dish like your fish, salmon, or chicken, whatever you want. And I'm sure this appetizer is not gonna disappoint you, so do try it. Let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.